Happy birthday, Athena. I wish you good health. Be a good girl. Love you and miss you.
Happy birthday, Athena. I wish you all the best. And I miss you. See you soon.
Happy birthday, Athena! Your sweetness and kindness has captured the hearts of so many, not just our family, but all those you meet. May you continue to be as such and also bring Christ to whoever you meet in your life. Happy birthday. We love you and God bless you. Bye-bye.
Happy birthday, Athena! Sana lalo kang maganda. Enjoy your day.
Hi, Tina. Your Lolo and Lola are happy of your 7th birthday. Happy birthday. Hope someday you'll be Miss Universe. Stay always loving with your mom and dad and your kuyas. Okay, happy birthday. See you.
Hello, Athena ganda. Happy birthday, my dear. Always keep praying and always keep smiling. Happy birthday. Lolo and Lola loves you very much. Bye-bye.
Happy birthday, Tina. I wish I could have been there, but I'm studying in the Philippines. But many love to your kuya. Well, I hope you grow up to be, smart, disciplined, maybe athletic, play sports like me, Theo, and me, Kosam. And I hope you grow up to be a good person, love everyone. And yeah, I miss you. I wish I could come back and talk to you again.